Hi kiddos, welcome back to Brush and Spoon. கண்டிப்பாக நீங்கள் எல்லாருமே ஏதாவது ஒரு ஆக்டிவிட்டியில் வந்து ரொம்ப எங்கேஜாக இருப்பீங்க. அண்ட் ஆர்ட் அண்ட் கிராஃப்ட் வரும்போது நான் உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக I'll give you some tips. And so today I thought since the lockdown is getting little more tightened, இன்னும் ஒரு 4 நாள் நம்ம வந்து வீட்டுக்குள்ளே தான் இருக்க போகிறோம். ஸோ ஒரு குட்டி கேம் I thought I'll teach you. அந்த டிக்டாக் டோ கேம் சொல்லுவாங்க, அது வந்து யூஸ்வலி பேப்பரில் விளையாடுவாங்க. ஸோ I thought why not I teach you. அது வந்து நீங்கள் பெபிள் அண்ட் ஏதாவது ஒரு பேஸ் போர்டு வச்சு நீங்கள் வந்து ரெடி பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ இன்றைக்கி அந்த கிராஃப்ட் தான் உங்களுக்கு நான் வந்து டீச் போகிறேன். I'm going to teach you that craft. So let's get crafting. So நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி வந்து we have just made the outline, so the checks have been completed. So what I'll do is I'll keep it for drying. So very simple checks we have done, so I'll just keep it aside for drying. So the board is ready. So now we have to work on the pebbles. So this one I'm going to use for the bumblebee, and this I'm going to use for the the ladybug, or can we change it? I think this will go for the red one, right? Okay, so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take red எடுத்துக்கிறேன். and இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு portion divide பண்ணிக்கிறேன், just a portion, and I'm going to start filling the red. So since this is acrylic paint, I'm directly applying it. If poster colors you can directly apply, poster or acrylic, don't use water, just start applying it. If there are any small dents on the thing, you just check it out. So now this is, so all corners you need to check up it. So now this is completely done. So I'll take the bumblebee. So in this what I'm going to do is, so the first portion again I'm going to leave it for the face. So this portion I'm going to fill yellow. This is done. So now again one more strip. So in the strip one, it can be your choice. It can be a thicker strip or a smaller strip. It's your choice. Just neatly finish the strip. If there are any gaps or something, you can give a double coat for it. So neatly fill it up. So now even this is ready, we will start filling the black. So I'm taking black and I'm going to fill the front portion. So just slowly see that the color doesn't spread. So I've slowly completed that. Now with the same brush, I'm just going to draw a straight line. Okay, and I'm just going to mark 3 dots, just like it can be different shape. One can be big, one can be small, and all that. So now I keep this for drying. So here this is the front, right, head portion. So I'm going to fill it with black. So fill it with black neatly. I think it's rolling. So just slowly you do it. So now I do the strip, the second one. Very slowly we do it. And we go for the tail. Bumblebee is very active. So we do this, right? You can just fine tune the sides properly. So now we can give it some time to dry. In the meantime, take the reverse brush or a reverse size எடுத்துக்கோங்க, and we're just going to keep small eyes, like just with a dot. The paint is still wet, so make a nice eye. Same thing here. taking a thin brush and I'm going to mark a small smiley face on it. So now touching with the black, I'm just going to make the center eye. Making the center eye for it. Same way here. So now if you see, the game board is ready and the dots are ready. So we can place them on each side. So as I said, we will be needing a team, like 5 stones of each we will need. So I have made the others also ready. So we have extra coins. So always when you paint, see that you keep like 2-3 extra coins, maybe if like breaks or like falls down or you lose something. So now if you see, the game is ready and you can start playing it with your friends or with your family. So that, yeah, it's going to be like fun, right? So yeah, where do I keep this? I'll keep it here. Oh, wow, I got a place. Wow, so this is a cross and it's a very nice game to play. So we can arrange them here. So it's like fun. So this is a cute, easy game which you can, board game which you can get it ready and play with your family. So have fun. So kiddos, நீங்க எல்லாம் follow பண்ணிருப்பீங்க how I painted the bumblebee and how I painted the ladybug. It was very simple and very easy. So in case உங்ககிட்ட வந்து acrylic paint இல்ல அப்படினா தாராளமா you can use poster colors. இதே same pattern தான், but don't use more of water. Whether it's going to be acrylic or it's going to be poster, don't use more of water. You can use this. And if you don't have a wooden slice, the option for it is you can use a cardboard, or you'll have these chocolate boxes which we get for sweet box and all that stuff. You can use that box also. That's a very easy way to do it. The lid you can convert it as the checks board what we have done, and the container you can use it to store your pebble coins inside. So you need to make 5 of each, so 10 you need to play a game. So get these cute little bumblebee and ladybug done and start playing this indoor game. So please try this out, like try this craft out at your place and do share the pictures with me, so I also can see how lovely the kids are doing all their craft. So start getting very creative. Happy crafting, stay home and stay safe.